सरदार अब्दुर्रब कौन हैं और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? Sardar Abdurrab Nishtar was a prominent Pakistani politician and independence activist. He was born in 1899 in Peshawar, British India. Nishtar was a close associate of Muhammad Ali Jinnah and a senior leader of the Muslim League. He played an important role in the Pakistan movement. Nishtar served as the first governor of West Pakistan from 1955 to 1956. He was appointed the Minister of Communications in Pakistan's first cabinet. Nishtar actively worked for the rights and welfare of Muslims in British India. He was known for his strong organizational skills and leadership. Sardar Abdurrab Nishtar died in 1958. Several institutions and places in Pakistan are named in his honor, including Nishtar Medical College in Multan. Sardar Abdurrab Nishtar was a prominent Pakistani politician, independence activist, and close associate of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Born in Peshawar during British rule in India, he played a key role in the Pakistan movement, advocating for the rights and welfare of Muslims. Nishtar was an important leader of the All India Muslim League and contributed significantly to the organizational strength of the party. After the creation of Pakistan in 1947, he held several important positions in the new government. He served as the Minister of Communications in Pakistan's first cabinet and later became the first governor of West Pakistan from 1955 to 1956. Known for his strong leadership and dedication to public service, Nishtar was respected across political circles. He passed away in 1958. His legacy is honored through institutions named after him, including the renowned Nishtar Medical College in Multan, reflecting his lasting impact on Pakistan's political and social development. सरदार अब्दुर्रब निश्तर एक मुमताज़ पाकिस्तानी सियासतदान और तहरीक आज़ादी के कारकुन थे। इनकी पैदाइश 1899 में पेशावर, बरतानवी हिंदुस्तान में हुई। निश्तर मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना के करीबी साथी और मुस्लिम लीग के सीनियर रहनुमा थे। उन्होंने तहरीक पाकिस्तान में अहम किरदार अदा किया। निश्तर 1955 से 1956 तक मगरबी पाकिस्तान के पहले गवर्नर के तौर पर खिदमात अंजाम दे चुके हैं। उन्हें पाकिस्तान की पहली काबीना में वज़ीर मुआसलात मुकर्रर किया गया था। निश्तर ने बरतानवी हिंदुस्तान में मुसलमानों के हकूक़ और फलाह व बहबूद के लिए सरगर्मी से काम किया। वो अपनी मजबूत तंजीमी सलाहियतों और क़यादत के लिए जाने जाते थे। सरदार अब्दुर्रब निश्तर 1958 में वफ़ात पा गए। पाकिस्तान में कई इदारे और मकामात उनके नाम से मंसूब हैं, जिनमें निश्तर मेडिकल कॉलेज मुल्तान शामिल है।